Welcome everyone. I am Sonali Seth Chawla, Assistant Professor, Management Department from Sant Haridas College of Higher Education. Now I will explain the topic disinvestment in public enterprises. In this topic, I will discuss what is disinvestment, objectives of disinvestment, causes and background of disinvestment, disinvestment with and privatization, disinvestment in new economic policy, and suggestions for disinvestment. Now I will discuss what is disinvestment. Disinvestment is a process in which the public undertaking reduces its portion in equity by disposing its shareholding. As per SEBI guidelines, disinvestment means the sale by the central government or the state government of its share or voting rights and its control in public sector units. The disinvestment reduces government participation in the company. Further, in India, the new economic policy started in 1991 have given rise to significant focus for privatization and disinvestment of public sector enterprises. Hence, disinvestment was one of the methods of privatization which started in the year 1992 after we adopted the new economic policy in 1991. It implies selling of government equity shares of public sector units in the market. It is a concrete step towards privatization and liberalization of our economy. Now I come over to the causes and background of disinvestment. First is poor performance of public sector undertakings, low return of investment, decline in contribution to national income, poor capacity utilization, overstaffing in the companies, and wastage of resources. Now I come over to the objectives of the disinvestment. First, to reduce the financial burden on the government. Next, to improve the public finances, to introduce competition in the country, to introduce market discipline, and further to increase growth of the firm and to encourage that firm into wider enterprise. Now I come over for the suggestions for disinvestment process. First is government has to form a policy framework for whole disinvestment process. Government should deal the disinvestment process by budgetary exercises. All the expenses for disinvestment should include in the budget. Government should stop setting the annual targets and budget. Government should have long-term planning for disinvestment. This disinvestment process is a very crucial matter and government should follow a specific method of process in order to reap more and more possibilities. That's all we have in this topic. I hope you will appreciate and understand the matter given in the topic. Thank you so much.